Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm taking my sister to do a makeup class with Arika of Already Perfect. She is located in the Springfield Mall in Virginia, and she has a beauty bar with Johan's hair as well. And this is such a great gift for my sister. She's always wanted to do a professional makeup class, so this was a great opportunity. And Arika always does my makeup and she does an amazing job, so I decided to book with her. I'm gonna put a link to her website in my description if you want to check her out for your makeup needs, if you want to book a class, or if you just want her to do your makeup for an event. She also does hair. I'm going to her to get a wig laid soon, so yeah, definitely check her out. So in the beginning, she just asked her about her skin prep, and basically Arika does one side. She did the left side of Dana's face, and then Dana does the right side and mimics everything that Arika does. So we started with brows, and what I wasn't able to capture was my sister actually putting some eyeshadow, some brown eyeshadow in her brows. That is like the trick to these like perfect brows that Arika does. Get you a brown eyeshadow, and after you put the pencil, you fill it in lightly with the brown eyeshadow or brow powder. And then we move on to eyes. She was just showing her the technique with the eyes and what brushes to use. Look at how she's holding the brush for the lid color. Now she's gonna put on lashes. My sister did so good with these lashes. Like on the first try, she just popped them on. Then we went in with a kind of like color correcting concealer, blended that in. And then we went in with foundation. So she used two foundations. She used the MAC Studio Fix Waterproof Longwear Foundation on the center and her Bobbi Brown foundation in the perimeter. Then we went in with another concealer. This one is to brighten your under eyes. Do a little bit of reverse contouring. Blend that out. We put some contour, on the nose, on the cheekbones, and on the forehead. Now she's setting her concealer with powder. We mixed Laura Mercier honey and the Fit Me powder to make like a perfect shade for Dana. And now we're going in with Sephora Micro Smooth. This is the game changer right here, and they have a shade called Sienna, which was perfect for Dana. Next, we went in with this beautiful blush from MAC, and she used this brush. She was showing Dana how to hold the brush in order to put the blush just perfectly. And y'all, that glow was amazing. We didn't even have to use highlight. Of course, we got to get those bottom lashes with some mascara. We did a lip liner. We did a lipstick from Morphe, and then we added a gloss from MAC. And this is it. Voila, the reveal. She was amazed. Like, she couldn't believe that she did this herself.
How was your experience, Dana?
Oh my gosh, it was amazing. I learned a lot. Arika was just awesome and so patient, and she put up with my shenanigans. It was such a great experience. I would recommend that everybody come over and engage in this class. I learned a lot. What I loved was she did one side of my face, I did the next side, and then we did a recap. All right, so for all those adult learners, all right, that's gonna be really good because that way you get to repeat what you were taught. So yeah, so I'm really excited to replicate this look and to practice. So yeah, so that I could increase my bride price.
So guys, you need to let us know can you tell which side Arika did? So comment down below, let us know if you can tell which side Dana did and which side Arika did. Like, it's amazing. I'm so happy that you enjoyed this.
Oh, and she also tells you which products to get. She makes recommendations in terms of which products to get and the brushes as well, right? And the technique. Oh my gosh! At first when we started, I was like, I can never do it and make it look like yours. But then, as you know,
Now
she's
you
like,
can't
no,
tell the
you got
difference.
it, you got it. So yeah, so that was really good, a real good morale booster. So yeah,
Yay!
My sister thoroughly enjoyed the class, and I was so happy that we got to do it together. I learned so much. I took my notes. So if you want to check out Arika, her information is in my description. And I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. And I'll see you next week. Bye.
Not for this time that I'm wasting. Spent on the surface. I don't wanna fake it. Cause I don't wanna waste my time. I guess I started thinking right.